Imagine moving to a new city with nothing but dreams and determination. This is the story of Firas Al Msaadi, CEO of FAM Properties, who transformed Dubai's real estate landscape. Dubai's property market has been on fire, with prices soaring over the last 24 months. But what's driving this unprecedented growth? In 2023, the Dubai Land Department recorded its strongest performance ever, with 1.6 million transactions worth 634 billion dirhams. That's a 16.9% increase from 2022. Companies like FAM Properties have thrived in this booming market. But it wasn't always smooth sailing for Firas Al Msaadi. Firas launched FAM Properties in 2009, right in the middle of the global financial crisis. Yet, he saw an opportunity where others saw chaos. If there was even one sales transaction happening in Dubai, I could succeed, Firas recalls. His optimism paid off. Today, FAM Properties is the largest real estate brokerage in Dubai, boasting 26 branches and a sales force of 650 agents. But what sets FAM Properties apart? It's their technological edge. They developed DXB Interact, a platform that brings unprecedented transparency to the market. DXB Interact shows all transaction histories for rent and sales, allowing anyone to see how much any property in Dubai was sold or rented for. Firas moved to Dubai in 2005 with big dreams. He started in fashion retail but quickly pivoted to real estate, driven by the city's architectural marvels. 2/3 of the world's cranes were in Dubai, Firas says. The city's dynamic real estate market was too enticing to ignore. Real estate appealed to Firas because it's driven by experience and networks. The more you know, the more you can earn. Starting a business during a crisis might seem risky, but Firas took calculated risks. He believed in Dubai's potential and his ability to succeed. Every single square foot in Dubai was meant to be sold or rented, Firas explains. He saw opportunity where others saw despair. Firas's brother, a tech guru, played a crucial role in FAM Properties' success. Together, they built a company that leverages technology to scale. Their Oracle-based platform enables strong governance, digitalization, and automation, essential for managing 26 branches. The Dubai government's Open Data initiative was a game-changer. It allowed FAM Properties to build DXB Interact and bring transparency to the market. Initially, real estate agents feared transparency, thinking it would hurt their sales. But Firas saw it as an opportunity to build trust. Collaboration with the Dubai Land Department was key. They worked together to improve regulatory frameworks and ensure genuine property listings. About 50% of the misleading online listings are now gone, Firas says. This has made the market more transparent and trustworthy. The new regulations benefit everyone. Sellers can trust online prices, buyers save time, and only professional agents remain in the market. Despite concerns about oversupply, Firas believes Dubai's real estate market is sustainable. The city's global appeal continues to attract new residents. Investing in off-plan properties is a great hedge against inflation. It allows investors to lock in today's prices for future assets. Firas emphasizes the importance of due diligence. Investors must understand what they're buying and who they're dealing with. Firas wrote a book, The Art of Real Estate, From Entry to Exit, to share his knowledge and give back to Dubai. The book offers best practices and insights into real estate investment, applicable not just in Dubai but globally. Looking ahead, FAM Properties aims to scale further, exploring opportunities in Saudi Arabia and Abu Dhabi. They've built in-house subsidiaries to enhance client value, including companies in interior design, mortgage brokerage, and holiday homes. Firas' journey from a retail worker to the CEO of the largest real estate brokerage in Dubai is a testament to his vision and perseverance. Dubai is a land of opportunities, Firas says. His story is proof that with determination and innovation, anything is possible. As Dubai's real estate market continues to evolve, FAM Properties remains at the forefront, driven by technology and transparency. Stay tuned for more inspiring stories and insights. Remember, in real estate, knowledge is power. Keep dreaming big. Follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube page for daily updates.